At the train ticket machine.
Excuse me, can you help me with this ticket machine?
Sure. Where would you like to go?
I need a ticket to Central Station.
Okay. First, press the Start button on the screen.
All right. Now it shows different options.
Tap on Buy Ticket.
Done. Now it asks for the destination.
Type Central Station in the search box.
Got it. Should I select it?
Yes. Tap on it.
Now it shows one way and return.
Do you want to come back today?
No, just one way.
Then choose the one-way option.
Okay, now it's asking for payment.
You can pay by card here.
Great, I'll use my card.
Insert your card and enter the PIN.
Done. The machine is printing the ticket.
Perfect. Here you go. Have a safe trip.
At the Lost and Found desk. Hello. I lost my wallet. Can you help me?
Of course. When did you lose it?
About an hour ago.
Where were you at that time?
I was sitting near gate 3.
Can you describe the wallet?
It's brown, leather, with a small zipper.
What items were inside?
My ID card, some cash, and 2 bank cards.
Do you remember the exact time you were at gate 3?
Around 3:30 p.m.
Okay, I'll check if anyone turned it in.
Thank you. I really hope someone found it.
Please wait a moment. Good news! We have a wallet that matches your description.
That's great. Can I see it?
Yes, but I need to verify your ID first.
I have a photo of my ID on my phone.
That works. Let me check. Okay, it matches. Here is your wallet. Please be careful next time.
At the pet store.
Hello, I want to buy a small pet.
Sure. What kind of pet are you interested in?
Maybe a bird or a fish.
Birds are friendly, but fish are easier to care for.
Tell me more about birds.
We have parakeets. They are colorful and playful.
Do they need a lot of care?
Just food, clean water, and a clean cage.
How long do they live?
Usually around 10 years.
That's good. How much is one parakeet?
$20 for one.
And what about fish?
Fish cost around $5 each, depending on the type.
What do fish eat?
Special fish food. It costs only $3.
I think I'll start with a fish.
Great choice for beginners.
Okay, I'll take one fish and the food.
Perfect. I'll pack it for you.
At the music instrument shop.
Hi, I want to learn guitar.
That's great. Are you looking for a beginner guitar?
Yes, something simple to start with.
We have acoustic guitars that are perfect for beginners.
How much are they?
This one is $80 and very good quality.
Is it easy to play?
Yes, it has soft strings, good for new learners.
Do I need anything else?
A tuner and a cover would be helpful.
How much are those?
The tuner is $10 and the cover is $15.
Can you show me how to hold the guitar?
Sure, rest it on your knee and keep your back straight.
Oh, that feels comfortable.
Start by practicing simple chords.
How long will it take to learn basics?
Around 1 month with daily practice.
That's not too long.
Exactly. Shall I pack this guitar for you?
At the photo studio.
Hello. I need passport size photos.
Sure. Please sit on this chair.
Okay. Do I need to remove my glasses?
Yes. For passport photos, no glasses allowed.
All right. I'll take them off.
Sit straight and look at the camera.
Like this?
Yes, perfect. Don't smile too much.
Okay. I'll keep a neutral face.
Great. I'm taking the photo now.
How did it come out?
It looks good. Very clear.
How long will it take to print?
Just 5 minutes.
That's fast.
Do you need digital copies too?
Yes, that would be helpful.
I'll send them to your email.
Thank you. How much is everything?
$10 in total.